Can I watch TV now?
Yes, after you finish your homework.
Did you call Grandma?
Yes, I spoke with her today.
Where's my school bag?
It's in your room.
Mom, I'm hungry.
I'll make you a sandwich.
Can I play outside?
Yes, but come back before dinner.
Where's the broom?
It's in the kitchen corner.
Mom, I can't find my socks.
Check the drawer, dear.
Can I help you cook?
Yes, cut the vegetables for me.
What are you making for lunch?
Rice and curry.
Mom, my pen is lost.
I'll give you a new one.
Did you see my notebook?
Yes, it's on the table.
Can I have juice?
Yes, it's in the fridge.
Mom, my toy is broken.
I'll try to fix it.
Where's Dad?
He's in the garden.
Mom, my clothes are dirty.
Put them in the laundry basket.
Can I eat chocolate?
Not before dinner.
Mom, the TV isn't working.
I'll check it later.
Who's at the door?
I think it's the postman.
Mom, can we go shopping?
Yes, tomorrow.
Where's the sugar?
In the jar on the shelf.
Can you tell me a story?
Yes, tonight before bed.
Mom, I spilled water.
Wipe it quickly.
Where are the keys?
On the table near the door.
Mom, my shoes are tight.
We'll buy new ones.
Can I listen to music?
Yes, but not too loud.
Mom, I'm sleepy.
Go take a nap.
Where's my umbrella?
In the cupboard.
Mom, my throat hurts.
I'll make you warm tea.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I did this morning.
Mom, can I paint?
Yes, but spread newspapers first.
Who cooked this food?
I did. Do you like it?
Mom, I want ice cream.
We'll buy some later.
Where's the milk?
In the fridge, bottom shelf.
Mom, the light is flickering.
I'll call the electrician.
Can I play games on your phone?
Only for 10 minutes.
Mom, who's calling?
It's your uncle.
Mom, I'm bored.
Read a book then.
Can I sleep in your room?
Yes, tonight.
Mom, the dog is barking.
Maybe someone is outside.
Where's my cap?
Check the cupboard.
Mom, I dropped my spoon.
Take a clean one.
Can we bake a cake?
Yes, on Sunday.
Mom, who's visiting us?
Your cousin is coming.
Where are my glasses?
On your study table.
Mom, the fan is too slow.
I'll increase the speed.
Can I eat now?
Yes, the food is ready.
Can I use the laptop?
Yes, for your project.
Mom, I lost my eraser.
Use another one from the box.
Where's my book?
On the sofa.
Mom, the floor is dirty.
Get the mop.